Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GTC. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that GTC about to break a very long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it has once again reached the resistance of this long-term down channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared a few days ago on 3rd of December 2023 with my members. And this move has produced almost 15% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GTC that I shared on 3rd of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that GTC formed with a Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone, this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss below 2671. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone here and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost 15% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern on 8th of August 2023 with my members. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal and read the sell targets on here and here as well. And this was almost 23% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of GTC, and this is the weekly time frame chart. Previously, you can see it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. We broke it out here in the month of October 2022, but could not break out another downtrend line resistance. That was, in fact, the formation of another down channel. And you can see that the formation of this channel was started when it was moving inside the previous falling wedge pattern. And here we found the resistance. Here we found the support of this channel. And now recently you can see after testing this quite long-term support of 82.8 cents that has been working as a very long-term support for the past several weeks or months. Now it is again geared up and reached this resistance of this down channel. And at the same time, we also have a quite long-term resistance of $1.30 as well. That was previously working as a support here. And now for the past several weeks, it is working as a resistance. Once the price and will be able to break out this down channel, then the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $3.70 or 75 cents approximately. And the final target for this huge breakout, I'm expecting that after breaking out this channel, soon it can also hit the target for this previous falling wedge pattern as well. And that target is here at the top of the wedge between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.